Good evening, everyone. I'm really truly honored to have a chance to share this day with all of you. Indeed, this is a special day. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of the Department of Internal Medicine Residency. I think it's really a vision, a mission, a strategic objective of this hospital to make it the best training facility. To our graduates, I look forward to you choosing Mary Mediatrix. With that, congratulations again, good evening, and thank you very much.
You finally made it. We're very excited and proud. Of course, you'll be making decisions in the next few months of your life on behalf of Mary Mediatrix Medical Center because you chose the right institution. And we are looking forward to work with you. Marami pong salamat. As you spread your wings and soar into the future, believe in yourselves and your abilities. As you transition from the world of residency to the realm of practicing physician, carry with you the invaluable lessons learned from breaking the waves and riding the storm. Make your mark, leave your legacy, and always strive to be the best version of yourself. Congratulations and magandang gabi po.
Congratulations to all of you. You made a difference in other person's life. The knowledge will make you a doctor, but your compassion and empathy with your patients and with your co-workers will make you unforgettable.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to our mentors who have not only sharpened our minds but also nurtured our hearts. You have shown us that healing is more than just medicine. It is compassion, resilience, grace in the face of adversity. Thanks to the unwavering support of our seniors, you were our lifelines. To our mentors, our consultants, you have not only taught us but you never have given up on us. A 360-question test will never measure a depth of dedication, the lives we have touched, or the kind of doctors that we have become. We will rise again stronger, just as we always have. May we always remember that Jesus, the great physician, walks with us in every step of this calling.
Today marks a significant milestone in your medical careers, a testament to your unwavering dedication, relentless hard work, and the dreams that have fueled your journey. As you step in this new chapter, always remember the essence of our profession, to treat patients as a whole, mind, body, and spirit. Continue to strive for excellence, remain steadfast in your pursuit of knowledge, and never lose sight of the dreams that propelled you to this point. Your hard work has brought you here, and it will carry you forward to even greater heights. Congratulations once again. PCP Southern Luzon will always be proud of you.
graduates, you have endured so much and have come out of it stronger and ready to face anything. Failure is not the end. It's just another step on our journey. That burning passion that you have, take it as a beautiful lesson and a constant reminder of you not giving up, of you learning, and of you improving. Justin, Abby, and Lorenzo, you never failed us, and we are very proud of you. Treat each patient with respect and compassion the way we taught you. Enjoy. Travel with your family, your partner, your loved ones, your friends. Love life, enjoy life, work with passion. To quote William Osler, a good physician treats the disease, but a great physician treats the patient who has the disease.